My name is Stephen Johnston. I am the portfolio manager for the Milford Aggressive Fund. I started at Milford in 2013 and prior to that I was a portfolio manager in London for many years. The Milford Aggressive Fund is a diversified fund with a mixture of direct investments, which are managed by me, and also investments in internal funds at Milford. And that's leveraging the expertise of our internal investment teams. The Aggressive Fund has an international shares bias with a moderate allocation to domestic shares. So the objective of the Milford Aggressive Fund is to maximise capital growth over time. So it invests 100% of its assets in shares, so it's for growth investors. So it's unlike other funds, lower risk funds, that have an allocation to fixed income. The fund is for growth investors with a longer term investment time frame. So the suggested time frame on the fund is 10 years. It's also for investors looking for active management. So the team and myself are actively looking around the world for the best risk-adjusted opportunities in the fund. And it's also for investors that are prepared to take higher risk, because there's a lot more fluctuations in the aggressive fund than some of the other funds. I am the portfolio manager of the fund and I make all decisions on the fund, but I do collaborate very closely with our large investment team at Milford. So Milford's investment approach is flexible, but it's a combination of top-down macro analysis with bottom-up stock picking. Now, in terms of the Milford Aggressive Fund, it's a mix of direct investments, so they're managed by me, and then also investments in internal investment funds at Milford. So we're leveraging the expertise of, for example, the Australian team or the New Zealand team, etc. Now, the fund is very well diversified globally, has a bias towards international shares, but also has a moderate allocation to Australasian shares as well. And we're just looking for the best risk-adjusted opportunities globally. The Milford Aggressive Fund is different from peers in that it's actively managed. Myself and the team are looking around the world, cherry-picking, looking for the best opportunities to deliver strong returns for our clients. In addition, the fund is all internally managed. There's no allocation to external managers.